This video will go over the environmental setup reports that can be generated from FUDSChem. In Part 1, linked in the description, we went over the reports that summarize the contents of the EQAP, aside from regulatory limits. Here in Part 2, we'll go over the reports that summarize regulatory limits and other aspects of project setup. For more information on creating an EQAP, please refer to our EQAP tutorials playlist, linked in the description. Each of these reports can be accessed under Reports, Environmental Setup Reports. We'll show how to run the first one as an example. Choose Acceptable Units by Method Group. This report runs automatically. In other cases, we would fill out the drop-downs and click View Report. This report shows the standardized units that the FUDSChem program has established for each method group and matrix. The method templates in the EQAP Setup tool already use standardized units by default. If your project opts to use non-standard units, then the data will be converted to standard units upon approval. For more information, please refer to our Best Practices Units video, linked in the description. All of these reports can be saved in various formats by clicking the floppy disk icon. Next, we'll look at active screening checks. This report shows the checks that will run whenever a particular data type is screened in FUDSChem. Errors prevent data from loading and will need to be addressed. Warnings do not prevent data from loading, though they should still be reviewed and addressed if possible. With core approval, some checks may be changed from errors to warnings. For more information, please refer to our Exceptions to Screening Checks in FUDSChem video, linked in the description. Next, we'll look at the EQAP changelog. This report highlights changes that have been made to the EQAP since a given date. For more information, please refer to our EQAP changelog overview video, linked in the description. Next, we'll look at flagging setup. This report shows the flagging rules that the Automated Data Review, ADR, will use for validation. We go over this report in detail in our How Does ADR Work Part 1 video, linked in the description. Review this report and coordinate with your Synectics point of contact to make any desired edits. Next, we'll look at regulatory limits. This report shows the regulatory limits that have been added to the EQAP. You can filter on specific limit types and display analytes associated with certain methods. Choosing No Method in EQAP will show analytes that are available in the selected PALs but are not found in a specific method. Next, we'll look at regulatory limits by analyte. This report shows the project action limits, PALs, that are available for each analyte in the project. You can choose whether to include only the analytes in the project or all the analytes in the selected PALs. You can also highlight analytes in the project that do not have any PALs available. Next, we'll look at regulatory limits comparison worksheet format. This report allows us to compare the selected PALs with the reporting limits for each analyte. It has the same format as QAP Worksheet 15 to enable easy comparison with a hard copy QAP if desired. The project quantitation limit goals, PQGs, are set to 1/3 of the PAL value by default, but can be adjusted if desired. This report can help users discuss options with their risk assessor when more than one PAL could apply to an analyte. Lastly, we'll look at regulatory limits metadata. This report shows the metadata for all PALs in the project. This can be used to see which PALs have been added to the project and which matrices they are associated with. This report may be especially useful for reviewing custom PALs, which will include the website reference, source, and version number provided by the user who added them to the EQAP. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.